Yo guys, Hans here, and that's why you need the advanced portable car camcorder. For around 500 pesos, meron ka ng camcorder na nagre-record ng 720p videos and option for night vision. So available to at www.bigmk.ph. So installation ng ating camcorder is simple lang. So out of the box, meron siyang kasamang suction mount, ikakabit mo lang siya sa windshield mo and okay na. Meron din siyang kasamang car charger and a USB charger just in case pwede mo siyang i-charge using a power bank o dun sa iyong car charger. So yung quality ng camera is on the okay side. So since wala akong kotse para i-testing to nung nire-review ko, I have to be smart. So I use a window to test this out. So upon testing it, naka-witness ako ng onting banggaan. And mapapansin mo medyo malinaw naman yung quality ng video. And also it records audio just in case may usapan kayo sa loob and you need evidence. Diba? Meron kang i-present. Feature ng ating camcorder is meron siyang auto-record. So once na umandar yung sasakyan mo, magre-record siya ng video. Meron din siyang motion detect sensor na kapag nakadetect siya ng movement or tinulak yung sasakyan mo, magre-record din siya ng video. And also meron siyang saksakan for micro SD card. So dito mo ini-store yung mga video footage mo. Build quality ng ating car camcorder is on the medium side. So yung material na ginamit dito is almost plastic and yung looks naman niya, it's not bad. So for only 500 pesos, this is not a bad option for a car camcorder. Alright guys, so available to at www.bigmk.ph. For more details about the product, check the link in the description box. Again guys, my name is Andres, and for more videos like this, subscribe ka lang. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.